What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've just gotten a free 1k funded account. So as you can see, this is it. Let me show you the history. So as you can see, this is a free 1k funded account. Okay, so I'll be showing in this video how you can register and also how you can get the free 1k funded account. Okay, so if today is the first time to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn off the notification bell, like this video, and also don't forget to share this video to someone that you know will be in the need of a free funded account. Okay, so and also if you've gotten the account, don't forget to indicate in the comment section that you have gotten the account, also for others to know that the account is 100% free and also is legit. So without wasting most of your time, start the video right now. So once you're here, just fill in the details. You choose your country, your email, send the code to your email. Just go and copy the code, paste the code here, create your password and then your phone number, and then make sure you click this button here to agree to their policy, and then click the register button. So I already have an account, so I'll just log in my account right now. Okay, so I've logged in my account. So once you log in, you'll see the, as you can see, this is the promo here, the 300 1000k dollars account. So this is not the issue. I just cancel it and verify your account before getting the 1k account. Just make sure you verify your account. So to verify, just click the verify button and then fill in your details, and that's all. So once you are done verifying your account, then you can come back to your home screen and click this free challenge button right here. So just click it, and so this is it. This is the free 1k account. So as you can see, they have done a two-step account before. I participated on the on the two-step account, but I failed the account, so I didn't receive any payout on it. So this is a one-step account that is happening right now. So but to get the 1k account, you need to download their app. So I'm going to show you other step shortly. So but let's say maybe you register your account and then the two-step is still available. So I don't know if they are done with the two-step or not, but if you register your account and you see that the two-step is available, you can also claim the two-step account. So but if the two-step account is not available, just go download the app, and then that's how you're going to get the one-step account. So here's the rule of the account. As you can see, only app user can claim one free 1000 challenge account. So as you can see, this is it. This product is a one-step challenge, and then you must complete the challenge and request a payout within 20 days of receiving the account. So only the account is only available for 20 days. So within 20 days, you need to pass the account and then request for a payout. So as you can see, this is all about it. So to download the app, just click this, either using iPhone or Android. Just use either of these, take it to your Play Store, Apple Store, and then you download the app. Okay, so before I'll head to the application and show you all that, so let me just show you the example of how the accounts look like from the 1k that I've received, the two-step account. So as you can see, this is the two-step account that I've received. To get your details, just click this login info, and then these are your details, your login details and all that. You can choose to use their trading platform or MT5. So as you can see, it. So and also check here to see your account details, like to see how far you are gone with the account. So these are all example. Those are all explanation on how the account is. As you can see, the minimum trading days is 4 days for the two-step account, and then the daily drawdown $50 and the maximum drawdown $100, and the profit target is $100 for the step 1, for the phase one of the account. So let me just go to the application and show you how to get the one-step free account. So that's this application. I've downloaded the application and log in your details. So once you have done logging your details, then you click this free challenge button. Okay, so as you can see, this is the free account. Just click the claim button. As you can see, claiming your free account. Okay, so as you can see right here, I've just claimed my 100k. As you can see, this is the balance here, my 100k account. And to see your login info, just click this login info. As you can see, this is the login, your password, and the server here. So you can use any of this platform to trade the account. And also here are the details. You just see the details of the account. As you can see here, account type, one phase challenge, status active, starting, and that, and then so this is the important one. So minimum 4 trading days. So you cannot pass the account below 4 days. Like you cannot pass within 3 days or 2 days, but from 4 days above, and that's when you can pass the account. So even though you have a setup that can pass the account within 1 day, don't take the setup, don't take the trade, or maybe take the trade with lesser lot size, so that you won't break the rule. So you need above 4 days to pass the account. And also the daily drawdown is $40, and the maximum drawdown is $60, and the profit target is $100. So after 4 days, once you just reach $100, you just pass the account, and then you go to the final stage. And as you can see, the final stage, then place your withdrawal and all that. And also for your details, as I say, click the login info, and then these are details. So we'll copy the server first, then go to our MetaTrader 5, and then click the add button, paste the server here, and then wait for it to load. Okay, and click it, and then for the login, go back, copy it, and then go back to MetaTrader 5, paste it, then go back for password, copy the password, and then go back and paste it. Okay, so once you're done, just click the login, and then we just wait for the account. Just wait for it to load. Okay, so as you can see right here, this is a 100k, right? A 1k does right here. So just click the link, register your account, download the application, and then you know what to do next. Just claim your 1k account, and then start trading it. And also don't forget to share this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and then turn on the notification bell. So that's all for now. See you in my next video. Peace.